Sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Honda Civic. This two-door, five-passenger coupe still has fewer than 40,000 miles. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear cup holders, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.